Right, I'm just at an end of a spot I looked, and I found one of these Amos 9,900, 8,900 to 9,900 in age, 10,000 years old probably on this site. There's real early stuff with them, but it's real cold. See, there's icicles, and everything's froze from about here up, and the water dropped. We got boat waves, and look at that. It's just all unthawed like it would be in the summer, and something washed out from up there, and I found a point laying flat out on the sand. Just plain as day. I saw it from 5 feet away, so I hope you enjoy this one. It's a beautiful point. It's awesome material with a red tip and a real deep gray glossy base, and it's all there. One barb sharpened off, but it's still a damn fine point. Truly blessed today. Well, anyway, later. Alright, I'm back. This was right there. I flipped it out. It's a core, but it's real pretty awesome material. I'll get it cleaned up when I get home. It's like 10 degrees. I'm not sticking any part of my body in the water. I don't have to, but I'll clean it up and show you a picture. That's beautiful. Later. Oh, folks, I don't even know what to say. It's like 10 degrees. Look at the ice on stuff. Oh, and look at all this muck. Look at the ice on that. But I've just got a 10,000-year-old smoker laying out. I was here yesterday, found that bone oil and stuff, and the water was right here. Dropped another foot, and I haven't even seen a flake of flint. But look at this. And I'm gonna have to turn this off a second. This has got a red tip on it. It's not the best one ever, but it's pretty nice for these conditions. I'm gonna get some pictures and then I'll pick it up and come back and we'll see it. Awesome, look at this. Later. Alright, I'm back. I saw this from like right back here where my track's going like this. I looked over and I thought there's no way. But right here we go. Oh, it's a beauty though. Man, it's gonna suck putting my hands in water, but I am for this one. Oh wow, this is nice. And that barb's just sharpened off, and look at that red tip. Oh, this is a gray base with a real nice red tip. Well, I'll put up nice pictures. This is a smoker. Man, it's all there. That's just the way it's sharpened. And that red tip really makes it. Man. Well, anyway, later. Yeah, it's like 10 minutes after I found that point laying out. See, there's potential here. Look at that fire pit. You know, there could be point laying right here. There's more ice. This is just a slushy mix of stuff that's come out of the bank. Look at all of the slips up here. Alright, I'm back home. I found maybe 5 other flakes of flint that was just tan, and I threw it way out in the river. But here's that core. It's that real pretty like agate translucent stuff. It's like blue. It's just beautiful. There's the cortex. It's definitely a river pebble. And it's just, it looks like some kind of agate. I find points out of it. I wanted to show it. I'll put up nice pictures too, because it's not common, but I find it multiple time periods. and occupations made stuff out of this. But this point, it does have an ear neck. I thought it was sharpened that way, but it's that greenish gray, like that point I found with the red tip earlier in the summer, the table rockish. I find this material a lot too. It's a river pebble, and this one has a red tip. It's got a little fire pop right here. You can see it, or a cold ice pop. But man, it's a nice point. 10,000 years old. Look at that. I'm really happy to get this one. It's beautiful, especially for this time of year and conditions. It was a nice little wash. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoy. Later.